Hello everyone, and welcome to the weekly market outlook. So as I have mentioned yesterday, we have now split the webinar into three parts. So we will have the Forex, Commodities, Indices, and crypto as well. Okay, so crypto is what I will make probably today during the day, if I will have a time, of course. If not, then at least tomorrow will be there. Okay, so I can promise that. But for today we will see. Okay, depends on my time, if I will catch up some time. So those who are first time there with us, they know what we are doing. We are trading based on wave analysis. This is a little bit different way of looking at the chart. Not exactly the wave analysis, it's a little bit upgraded version of wave analysis. Those analyses are based on our experience. We change it, we change some rules, add some rules, we are applying it, and they works really well. Okay, so for those who are first time there, if you don't know how we are doing, go back, watch our previous weekly market outlooks. So there will be the three parts. There are already three parts, let's say like that. Okay, down there it's since yesterday. Okay, on TradingView, if you're watching, on TradingView, if you watch down there, it's my yesterday weekly market outlook. Or if you go to my YouTube channel, you can find it as well over there. It's attached over there. So go over there on YouTube channel, and you'll see all the past weekly market outlooks recordings. Okay, you will see them for 3 years ago, probably. I think 2 or 3 years ago. There's a lot of videos over there because I made it every Sunday. And of course, if you're interested to join us, feel free to visit the website. There you'll find the form which you'll have to fill out, and of course you'll have to pay the subscription. And after that, I will add you to our group. I will give you the access to all the educational lessons. And what is the most important, what you'll have with us is you will be trading with us live. Okay, we are now trading together. We are crossing in next, let's say 3 weeks, 4 weeks. We are crossing more than 100 trades. In these 100 trades, I think today we have already few orders, so it's 105 trades already been done. In those all trades, we took at least maybe 10 stop losses. The rest is profit or a break even. Okay, so we are doing so far so good. I let the people, or let's say I let the members of the academy decide what to do with the trade. So they are, they are responsible for every action that we take. So we are taking trades together, we're taking decisions together. This is the biggest benefit, as I can see. Okay, they are massively progressing on their trades and experiences as well. Okay, so let's start. If you guys have any questions, feel free to use the chat. I can see live chat there on TradingView and as well on YouTube, so feel free to use it. I will answer all your questions. So let's start. So those who are there last week with me, and if they do remember what we were forecasting the oil will go down, tag the low, and then went up. So let me just quickly show you if this is so. And yeah, I will show you the recording. It's live, you can watch it. You can see down there the date. It's been streamed previous Sunday. So what we were talking on the webinar is that the oil will go lower, tag the low, and then went higher. So what the oil did, it did exactly as we were anticipated. So this is our structure, this is how it works, and here you can see the proof of our analysis of our knowledge. Okay, so how we are analyzing the market. And there are a lot of trades. Okay, you can check all of them. Okay, check all of them maybe in the middle of the week, and you will see. For example, you can watch already from yesterday Forex pairs, how they did develop. I know that AUSD been there, did really nicely. But yeah, I ain't gonna show you all of them because this is waste of time. We have to move forward. We have to see what we are anticipating for the upcoming week. But yeah, feel free to watch it. So this was the explanation. Since the previous week went up, take the high, go lower, give us the bigger correction, and then it will continue its way to the upside. Okay, so the same expectation was for the UK oil. Okay, if I go a little bit forward, yes, UK oil take the low and going higher. Let's see what happened. Okay, it did the correction which we were anticipating, which I was showing you in the video, went down, tagged the low and went higher. Okay, works like we know every single little micro movement. So the market is in our middle finger. So this is it. Okay, it works. So there's no any resistance and any scare, let's say, like that this doesn't work. Okay, and of course there's been the silver and gold as well. What we were discussing about is that the gold will make a correction previous week and then went higher. So let's see what the gold did. Okay, let's see what it did. Check, let's have a quick check. Gold correct there, went up. Okay, and as well gold correct, went up. Okay, all the time it went up. So if you have time, go watch the recordings. You will at least learn something. This is the worst case scenario. You can learn something new over there with us. So let's start now. I will start with the gold. Okay, with the gold, and then I will talk about all the indices, the sugar, oil, natural gas, SP 500, US 30, and so on. The Bitcoin and the other crypto pairs is what I will do the other day. So gold, what we are anticipating on the gold is more downside, but currently it doesn't have any signs to show us the downside. So it keep on pushing higher. So this could still correct there, go for one more high, but they will go down anytime soon. Okay, so we have to see what this structure is trying to do. I will take off this arrow. It's since previous week. Okay, but there's another option which could appear over there. This could just go back to the trend line and then it will go back at the top. Okay, this is the option number one. Or it can drop, correct, definitely have to take a sell because it's gonna go break this low and then this will become one big structure. So which one? Currently we cannot tell you exactly which one, but we need more data from the chart. Okay, so that's gonna be there for next 2 days maybe, and then we will know the clear direction of the market. Currently it's non-tradable, you cannot do anything, and even you cannot predict it. Okay, you have to give it a little bit more time. So if this corrects over there, definitely take a buy. If it's not going, break even trade, it's gonna go deeper, then you can buy. Okay, this will be your buy. Silver. Silver is keep pushing high and I think it will go lower. So if this now corrects over there, take a buy because it's gonna go tag the high and then we'll go for the bigger flat over there before the next continuation to the upside. Okay, let me show you the bigger daily structure over there. What is it trying to do? Okay, so this will be the picture. If this goes lower, something like this, giving me the running flat, it will go high, tag the high, and then it will go low, tag the low, and then it will go high. It's a little bit different structure than we have on the gold, but silver, it's a nice potential for buy. Okay, or they can just correct over there and they will fly, and this will be all of the correction we have over there, and it will just go back at the previous tops. Okay, this is as well the possibility which can develop there on the silver. So keep an eye on it. It's really important how this structure there will develop during the next few days, so watch it. Okay, 1 hour, what we have currently on the 1 hour. Wait a little bit more, this to go lower, tag the low, giving you the flat, go, take a buy. See how far it goes. If it's not moving strong, fast, with fast momentum, take it off. Don't hold it, because it's gonna go lower and then it'll go higher. Okay, so one more extension to the downside can appear. And we can say that this is the running flat over there, so correction there will be great, take a buy. Previous top is your target. Wonderful trade. Wonderful trade. So let it develop and give it a chance. Sugar still where it was. We've been discussing about this trade. Didn't happen much over there, but this thing will probably correct now, go lower, not breaking this low, will stop somewhere there and then it will start pushing higher. So don't be confused by this movement. You can skip it even if you don't have enough experience or the rules. You can skip it, but then focus for the buy. That's gonna give you the nice running flat over there and then to push higher. How far? It can go easily more above this high over there. So let me show you the daily picture where we can go. This could just go down, giving you the running flat, and just go back at this top. This is the daily top. Okay, not that top but that one, the daily one. Okay, so keep an eye there and see how that develops as well during the week. Oil, there's nothing to do, nothing much to explain. We already know since previous week we went up, we went down as expected. Now we are forecasting this movement. How far back at this top? Okay, so previous high, it's our target, this will be our target, so keep an eye there. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so find the setup for you. I don't see currently the setup. Let this one do whatever it wants to do. Probably it will do something like this, going lower, giving it a bigger correction, and then it will push its way higher. Okay, there was a nice correction, and another one, a little bit bigger one, and then it will continue its way higher. What is your trade of the week? We have a lot of trades of the week. Okay, we don't have only one trade of the week. That doesn't exist. We are always watching on the trades, on the setups, and we take them all. What is making sense to us, or what is fulfilled with our structure, we give it a chance. If it is not going, we cut it with a break even or a small profit. Okay, this is how we trade. We don't predict or give it, let's say, the priority. This one is the good, this one's bad, good, bad. No, we watch it. If there is the potential, we take it. If it is not going, we close it with break even. That's all. Not a big deal. Okay, not a big deal. We at least know how if the trade is not going, we at least know how to close it on our break even. Every trade, let's say mostly 99.9% trades are able to close on break even. So that's how we trade. Oil, let's say this one, bigger correction and going higher. So easy trade. Oil is the easiest one since previous week. Okay, so nothing special, no complications are there. Let it do whatever it wants to do. I will take this off and I will put it like this. Okay, so we will know what we are anticipating. We are anticipating the flat over there, and then this will be another wave down and then up. So easy. UK oil, same behavior. So this one has tagged the low as well. We are anticipating now the tag of the high. This struggle there, give it more chance. Giving you the nice flag would be great, or a perfect opportunity. Then give it a chance, take a trade and take off your profit by the previous stop. That's all what you will get over there. I really do not anticipating the oil will go now and tag the previous high. It's not ready yet. Okay, at least not for now. Natural gas keeps sliding higher. Previous week we said it will start reversing. It didn't. It gives you the buy stops over there, so you should not be the trader over there. Okay, so if you took those buys which I was showing, you should be off, taking your profit off. And there was some couple more opportunities on lower time frame, 1 hour. Okay, there was the flag for buy, flag for buy, flag for buy. Okay, now don't chase it anymore. Okay, that ain't gonna go more. It could go, but not tradable. You need that experience, because this could turn really fast and you'll have a losing trade over there. So carefully, if you go for it, if you want to chase this flag over there, go for the trade. If it is not going, immediately close. Okay, or get in, take profit, get out. Okay, don't hold it for too long. If you want to go for this small trade, small opportunity which is forming, this will be the more like a scalper, however you will call it. Okay, so short trade, short small trade is there. Get in, get out, get in, get out. That's how you can trade it there, especially at this top. Okay, so easy, no complications are there. Nasdaq 100 going down, sliding down. There was a lot of opportunities, sell, and it keep going lower. So what is it trying to do? Let me give you the daily picture. I think this is the expanded flat. Now this needs a correction and more downside. Okay, so if this stays there, giving you the nice flat, take a sell back at the previous low. That's gonna be your opportunity. If you didn't have a catch from the early spots, you have to catch it from there. SP 500, same there, correction and more downside. Okay, more downside. It's going nicely down. So if you were selling it, you just can hold it. Okay, so up and down, giving you the flat and then down. I'm anticipating break of this low, so it's gonna be a nice trade. 1 hour trade is where you will find these movements, up, down, up, and then going down, or something like this. Okay, depends how it develops. US 30 as well. This one is a little bit difficult. That one's a little bit difficult. Let's see. I'm not sure that this is gonna go breaking breaking lower. So let's have a look a little bit. Let's take this off. Yeah, this could be as well running flat for more downside, right? So give it a chance, give it opportunity. So this could be the running flat, and we will still go lower. And this could be the flag. So yeah, let's see it. Okay, watch it during the day today. If this struggles, break down, take a sell and see how far it goes. If it stops by the previous low, put it on break even. If it reverses, you're out with the break even trade. If not, you have a nice wonderful trade over there. Okay, so good luck to you. If you will go for it, watch it and take it. UK 100, let's see, we still didn't tag the high. I still think that this will go and tag the high. Okay, so this could tag the high. If this corrects over there, take a buy. It's gonna go high, break all those tops. This one, take a buy, it will go break the top and then to start to reverse. Okay, easy trade. Can it break down? Yes. Okay, but then you will sell it later on. Don't chase it there from the top. Sometimes it's better to be in the trade a little bit later than too early. Okay, so keep that in mind. This one going lower, I still see this one as a sell, this to going lower. So watch your 4-hour trades. Okay, this has a nice potential correction over there. So watch for sell stops, these two keep on going lower back at this low. EU 50, same there. Let's see how that develops. Follow the sell flags, down as well. German 30, this going really slowly. Let's see what is behind the chart. This could be a bit difficult one. This could be just one part of the structure. This to go up, take the high, go lower, give you the flat, one more high, and then going lower. Okay, this is all what it can develop over there on German 30 during the week. So be really careful. I will not chase it over there exactly from the place where it is right now. Would rather wait for the deeper correction if do so and then take a sell. Okay, don't chase it from where it is right now. It could be the dangerous spot. So this could be the flag from another. Yeah. Let it drop, let it correct, then you can sell. Okay, don't be too early, or watch it to sell once it aggressively breaks the low. This one. Okay, so only aggressive breaks the downside is what you can take if you would love to trade the German 30. What else? JP 225, it's gonna go for the bigger correction as it looks like, something like this, and then going lower. Okay, so bigger correction and then going lower. It could be as well the flat and then more downside. Yeah, that's true. The Germans are always a little bit complicated. That's true. So good one. No offensive to all German people, we are just kidding. Okay. What the JP225 is trying to do, this one can go lower as well, yeah, but need a bigger correction over there. Bigger correction and we will follow the sell. I think this is the running flat. Okay, this to be a running flat and we are going down, right? So having a nice correction confirmation over there would be a nice. This could as well go lower. This trade going lower, take the low, going higher, give us a nice flat and then going lower. Okay, so nice flat over there before next break to downside. 1 hour, what do we have there? A sell. Okay, sell is trying to appear. If it goes back at the previous low, you can take a sell. If you do feel comfortable, you can go for this sell, take a sell, take off profit, let it go back at the top, tag the top, start selling it. You're gonna have a nice trade over there. Aussie 200, definitely going higher as it looks like. That's gonna go and tag the high. Okay, we're gonna go and break the top and then it may change the direction. So keep an eye on it, let it break it, or if you want you can skip it. If you are not experienced enough, then rather skip it, because it can just spike up and reverse the downside as it did there. Okay, you see they went up, Basically they spike up from there, spike up, break the top, reverse, start selling. Same situation, it could spike up, break the top, go down, give you the flag for sell, and then sell. Okay, that's how it can develop, so be careful. If you get in, keep eyes on it and put on break even as fast as you can. HK50, so this one's going lower. Okay, we've been forecasting this movement, it is trying to confirm the sell, so I think it will be a little bit bigger correction. Okay, if this is all the correction, then I will let it correct over there a little bit more, then I will take a sell. Okay, a little bit more correction over there, and then I will take a sell. TH50, nothing there, just keep it, it's too much confusing. Okay, not on the good spot as well, and there are many other better pairs. Okay, so I had to trade oil. Oil is better on the better spot, let's say like that. Okay, so any questions? This is all for commodities and indices. No questions, that's great. Just jokes. Wonderful. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. You can as well contact me on private. Send me the private message on TradingView, and you can send me an email as well. But for email, you'll have to go to the website, and there you'll find the attached email, and you can send me the email. If you would love to join our group, if you would love to gain some more experience, if you would love to become serious about trading, then you are welcome in our group. Go to the website, choose the form, pay the membership, and I will add you to our groups where you will definitely make a progression. Okay, but this is only if you're serious. If you're not, then you better not doing it. Okay, so no question, everything is crystal clear. Please can you go to SP5? Yes, I can have a look again. We did it already, but let me do that again for you. Okay, so SP500, look at that one. It's gonna go probably giving you the flat over there, and then more downside back at the trend line. But what you can aim for is the low. Okay, this is the low is your target, and to go lower 1 hour you'll see it clearly. Let this develop over there. It could be the flag, take a sell. If it stopped by the previous low, okay, it will go for the flat and then going lower. Definitely keep your stops above this high over there. That's gonna be the safe spot for your stop losses. It doesn't matter which trade you take, but that's gonna be your safest spot over there. Okay, easy trade, it shouldn't be difficult. So any questions? Do you have a questions? Let's see. Thank you very much for everyone who is sending me the private messages for their progression. So I'm really happy that you guys are making a progression by watching these webinars. Okay, I do appreciate all the comments. You're excited for Bitcoin. Yeah, we will watch the Bitcoin today. Okay, we'll make another webinar as well for the crypto. But as I was watching it, the Bitcoin is following exactly what we were anticipated. So if you stick to the moves, then you should be in the profit. So this is it. There are no more questions. Okay, great. I'm happy for that. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Have a wonderful week, and a lot of wonderful setup is what I wish for you. Okay, take care, enjoy the day, and may the profit be with you. Bye bye.